Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport 2.0T. This vehicle is equipped with full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. You'll also have the upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels. Your steering wheel will come equipped with controls to answer your phone calls. Use voice-activated controls. You'll have the paddle shifters for when you want to use it in sport mode. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, including adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, as well as road departure mitigation for collision braking system. You'll have a nice 7-inch screen here, which includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music in. You'll also be able to listen to XM radio. You're going to have dual climate control. You'll have a USB port and a power port. You'll also have an Econ in sport mode, electronic parking brake, and a brake hold. The key also features a remote start. And in the center console, you'll have an additional USB port and power port. Place to store your sunglasses, sunroof. You'll also have the all-weather floor mats in the back. The vehicle features a capless fuel filler. The vehicle also comes equipped with a backup camera with 3 different viewing angles. Nice sized trunk with the all-weather cargo tray, and underneath you'll have the spare tire kit and the spare tire. This is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport 2.0T.